Today's customers expect a quick and convenient shopping experience tailored to their specific needs. AutoStar's Star Plus point-of-sale solutions have helped grocers optimize operations for over 20 years. We're proud to partner with Toshiba to provide retailers with the Star Plus QuickScan360, an innovation that quickly converts from a standard attended POS lane to an unattended self-checkout, allowing staff the opportunity to stock shelves, hang tags, and clean during slow periods. This space-efficient countertop design offers high return, low total cost of ownership, and fits into existing store design, no renos needed. The Star Plus QuickScan360 is loaded with features like loyalty, senior and other discounts, quick flip produce lookups, and more. Whether you have one checkout lane or a dozen, it is easy to manage from the familiar Star Plus point of sale and back office. Learn more about our solutions at autostar.com today.